Good morning, students. Today our topic is production function. You know, production, I explained earlier, production is the process where input into transform into the output. Input transfer into the output, that is the production. So we are talking about the here production function. Production function means that it is the basic relation between factor of production and output is referred as a production function. Production is the function of, just like we have the four factor of production: land, labor, capital, entrepreneur. Here we say ki in short run we have the two production of function. K shows the capital, L shows for the labor. And important facts of the production function means production function is expressed in the reference to particular time period, maybe short time period, maybe long time period, and we are based on the input in short run only few factors we can change, but in a long run we can change all the factor. And production function describe the purely technological relations between the what can be produced from a given amount of the inputs depend on our the technology. So in short and production function we have just only one or two factor change, like land, capital and labor, but in long run we can change all the inputs. The short run plant size is fixed, labor is variable, and a short run to increase the production we just increase our labor, not another factor. And in long runs we can increase all the inputs as per the requirement if we want to increase the production. Here we show the law of variable proportion. Law of variable proportion means it always in the short period. L means I say ki labor is the only variable factor or K is the constant. But labor is homogeneous, all labor units are similar. Technology and other factors remains the constant. So in which we total production means when I hire the total output divided by the number of total I say ki total output multiplied by the total number of workers, that is my total product. Marginal product means additional output, change in the additional change in the output due to change in the hire the more and more workers while holding the plant size is the constant. And average product, when total product divided by the number of workers, that comes as the average production. This is just like a schedule ki when total production is 100, every 100 divided by 1 into 100, and 100 marginal is the change of earlier. This is 220 minus 100, this is 120. 360 minus 120 is 140. You just see ki first margin productivity increasing, then it's going to decrease, and you check when total output is maximum, that is 880, marginal productivity is 0. So this is show the third stage. This shows by the diagram both average productivity increase, margin productivity. First stage finish when both margin productivity and average productivity is equal, that is the first stage. And here total production is increasing by the diminishing rate, but in second stage it is increasing rate, and it will finish when margin productivity is 0 and total productivity is maximum. After that both are becoming decreasing, but margin productivity is going to negative. This shows the third stage. So stage 1 average product pricing, and second one average product declining, as I explained earlier. So relationship between that give increasing decreasing, I think it is very clear to everyone. So now I want to say the conclusion कि production function is simply catalog of the production possibility. It is the engineering concept, since money prices do not appear in it. It merely depicts and physically relationship between the output and input. Thank you.